Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Gmail account without phone number verification. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Gmail app, and here on the top right hand corner select your profile icon, then select add another account. So right now select Google, and here you can see you just need to give your fingerprint or passcode. So here you can see I just keep my fingerprint. Right now there have a option create account, simply select it. Right now there have two options for my personal use or for work or my business. So I simply select personal use, and here you just need to give first name, also surname, but it's optional. So I just give my first name. Here you can see. Right now select next, and after that you just need to give date of birth, and right now select gender and select next. After do this, here you can see they offer two options. Here you can see two email address. Also you can create your own email or Gmail address. So I select this on. Right now select next, and here you can see you just need to give a passcode. Select next. Right now select next, and here you can see just scroll down and select I agree. So after do this, here you can see it is still loading, and here you can see finally your Gmail account already created. So guys, in this way you can very easily create Gmail account without phone number verification. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.